Insights are a brilliant way to track your performance and grow with the help of it. It helps you to make your future decision by checking your current performance. Hence, taking the help of insights is a must when you want to grow on any platform. When it comes to Instagram, fortunately, it provides great insights to the user. With the help of it, you can grow on Instagram. And in this video, we will explain to you how. So hey guys, this is Astha from PaperVideo. And in this video, we are going to explain to you what Instagram Insights are, how to check them, and how you can use them for the growth of your Instagram page. Every part of the video is crucial, so make sure you watch the full video. So let's get started. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click on the bell icon. So let's first understand what is Instagram Insights. Well, Instagram Insights is a tool that provides you overall trends across your followers and helps you track your content's performance. You can view the overall performance of posts you posted at a specific time frame. However, keep in mind that you need to have a business or creator profile to access these insights. Instagram will not show these insights to one with a personal profile. After understanding what Instagram Insights is, let's see how to check Instagram Insights. To check insights for what you posted in a specific time frame, you need to go to the profile page, click the hamburger icon, then click Insights. And you will see an insight overview of the last 7 days by default, which you can change. You can see insights up to the last 90 days. You have an option to set a custom time frame. Now let's see how you can use Instagram Insights for account growth. Instagram Insights can help you grow consistently by analyzing its metrics. Every metric tells a different story, which shows how you performed till now. When you check the general insight, the first thing you will see is Insights Overview. Below the Insight Overview heading, there will be a text which will show you the percentage of your reach increased or decreased in a time frame compared to the previous time frame. The reach is number of unique accounts that have seen any of your posts, stories, IGTV, reels at least once. Do not confuse this with the impression, as impressions are the amount of times your post was viewed, which Instagram can count multiple times from the same account. This metric is very important. It shows you how your content performed in a specific time frame. One of the reasons which affect reach is engagement. Instagram stops showing your post to more people if they find out that people are not engaging with the post. Hence, if you see a decrease in reach, there is a higher chance that the post you posted in a specific time frame was not that engaging. Hence, try to make your future post more engaging. To know more about it, click the Accounts Reach text. Here, you will see the reached accounts are following you or not. If your content is not showing much reach towards non-followers, you're not getting much reach above your followers. To increase it, add hashtags in your post, use geotags, and make the post more engaging and shareable. Below the number of followers and non-followers, you will see the percentage of reached increase or decline for non-followers in a specific time frame compared to the previous time frame. You can check this to see if your progress is reaching non-followers. Below this, you'll see reach based on content types. It will show you which content got how much reach. If you are posting a specific type of content, like if you are posting only posts or if you are posting only reels, then obviously that specific content type will show a higher reach. But if you are posting various content types, then this metric will help you analyze which content type performs best. If a specific content type performs better than the other content types, people engage with that specific content more than others. So you should focus on that content type more. Below this, you'll see top posts based on content types. You may be posting a lot of content on Instagram. In that case, it is an important metric that will help you to see which post got the most reach. You can analyze these posts and check the reason these posts got the most reach, which can help you increase the performance of your post in the future. Below is the impression you got in a specific time frame. And in the last, you will see the profile activity. It shows you what the user in a time frame takes activities. It includes profile visits, website tabs, email tabs, etc. Higher profile activities show that the viewers are engaging with their account, which is a great sign. Now, after exploring the read section, let's move to the content interaction. For this, go back from the read section and click the content interaction text. It shows interaction with all your content posted in a time frame that includes likes, comments, shares, etc. This section shows combined content interaction of all your content types in a time frame, content interaction of individual content types, and percentage of growth or decline compared to the previous time frame. It can actually show you the amount of interaction you had, which can help you analyze the engagement rate. You can analyze content type getting more comment, which is getting more likes, which people save the most. What is the reason that they are taking that specific action? Below the content type, you can also see which posts and stories as per a specific content interaction. For this, you have to click top post to see the top post for a specific interaction and top stories to see the top stories for a specific interaction. By clicking that, you'll get an interface where you can choose specific interaction and a time frame. And in the post interface, you'll also get an option for choosing different types of posts like a photo, carousel, and videos. It can help you to check out which post or story works best for specific actions, which can guide you through posting better content in the future. The next thing you'll see is your audience. For that, you need to come back to the content interaction and click total followers. After clicking it, you will see the number of your current followers. Below that, you will see the growth or decline in your follow percentage for a specific time frame compared to the previous time frame. Below that, there's a section labeled as growth, where you will see 3 labels: overall, follow, and unfollows. Follow shows obviously how many people followed you in a specific time frame, and unfollow shows you how many unfollowed you in that time frame. And overall is followers minus unfollowers in the time frame. To get information for a specific day, you can click on the graph. Clicking the graph will show you red and blue lines. Red stands for unfollows and blue stands for follows. This metric can help you to analyze your followers count. When you see any spike on the red or blue line, you can check what made that line spike. In case of blue line spikes, you can check if there is any post that people loved and thus they followed. In case of a red line spikes, you can check any specific reason that resulted in the decrease of followers. The next thing you can see here is the top location. It shows which location your followers are from. It gives you 2 options, top cities and top countries. Many times people focus on a specific country or city, and in that case, this metric will be very useful. Another section is age range, which shows you how many percentages of your followers are in which age range. It has 3 options: age range for men, age range for women, and overall age range. By viewing this metric, you can plan your post, which is engaging for a specific age range. For example, if most of your followers are of age range 25 to 34, you can post something focusing on this age range. The next is gender here. You can check how many of your followers are a percentage of your followers men and women. With the help of this metric, you can post content that is more specific to either men or women, depending on the niche of your Instagram account. The last metric is most active times. Even if it is the last, it is the most important metric. Why? Because it may help you to post your content at the right time. Most active times at when your followers are active the most. It will show you the most active hours and most active days of your followers in a week, which is an estimate of 30 days. With the help of this, you can post content at the time and days when most of your followers are active. And that's it. It is how you can use Instagram Insights to understand your current performance and followers' behavior, which will help you improve your future performance on Instagram. I hope you liked our video. If yes, then please like, share, and subscribe. If you want to suggest us any topic, then please comment down below. To grow your followers on Twitter, check out our blog on how to get more real followers on Twitter in 2021. Thank you for watching.